The 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid presents a troubling ownership experience, characterized by frequent engine shutdowns and transmission failures. Numerous owners have reported being stranded due to these persistent issues. In a similar vein, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator, which was anticipated to be a rugged off-roader, instead revealed significant suspension and drivetrain problems. This led to alarming instability and transmission failures that put drivers at risk. Moreover, the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado garnered a reputation for its unreliable transmission, resulting in harsh shifts and delayed acceleration. Despite multiple attempts at repairs by dealerships, many owners continued to face recurring issues. Transitioning to the GMC Sierra 1500, it was once viewed as a reliable vehicle but has since experienced critical differential failures and electrical problems that frustrated its owners. Reports included grinding noises and unexpected power loss while driving. The 2024 Ford F-150 has become infamous for catastrophic spark plug ejections, leading to numerous drivers being stranded. This defect has resulted in costly repairs and fueled a wave of lawsuits, severely tarnishing the model's reputation. Despite its innovative marketing, the 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid encountered unpredictable system failures and transmission issues, prompting many owners to trade in their trucks early, often enduring financial losses as a result. In another instance, the 2022 Toyota Tundra faced complaints related to turbo failures and erratic battery performance, leaving many drivers frustrated and doubting Toyota's shift towards modern technology. Additionally, the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado suffered from severe transmission problems that caused delayed acceleration and harsh shifting, compelling many owners to return their trucks for much-needed repairs. Moving on to the 2017 GMC Sierra 150, it was burdened by drivetrain instability and electrical glitches. These issues led many owners to make the difficult decision to sell or trade in their trucks due to ongoing frustrations. Similarly, the Ford Ranger, marketed for its off-road capabilities, disappointed owners with suspension instability and a harsh ride. These factors made long journeys uncomfortable, with many describing bumpy and unpredictable driving experiences. The 2011 Ford F-250 Super Duty, once expected to deliver reliability, gained notoriety for its turbocharger failures. The expensive repairs, often exceeding $5,000, resulted in many owners opting to sell their trucks prematurely. The 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD also faced serious oil consumption issues, necessitating frequent oil top-ups that led to premature engine wear and costly repairs. Mechanics cautioned owners about the potential for catastrophic damage from prolonged oil loss. Defective steering and brake systems have contributed to significant control issues, with some owners reporting complete power steering failures and increased stopping distances. Such problems added to the overall frustration that many experienced with these vehicles. In a troubling case, the 2007 Toyota Tacoma suffered from severe frame rust issues, resulting in structural weaknesses and posing safety hazards. This led Toyota to recall thousands of vehicles due to alarming rates of frame corrosion. Honda's 2016 Ridgeline, meanwhile, faced complaints about engine vibrations and noise, diminishing its appeal to buyers in search of dependable trucks. Many owners reported discomfort, leading them to seek early trade-ins. The 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid also faced serious battery software malfunctions, causing unexpected stalls during operation. These issues raised safety concerns for numerous owners, prompting urgent discussions around reliability. In addition, the 2009 Nissan Frontier struggled with transmission fluid leaks, resulting in expensive repairs and forcing many owners to sell their trucks much earlier than they had originally planned. Finally, the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 was plagued by erratic throttle response, which led to unpredictable driving experiences. Consequently, numerous owners found themselves returning their trucks shortly after purchase.